In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your LinkedIn job title. Whether you've recently switched roles or have taken on new responsibilities, keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is essential for networking and career growth. Let's dive into the steps to make this quick and easy update to your professional profile. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page where all your professional information is displayed. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Experience. This section showcases your work history and is the key area where you'll make the necessary changes. Look through your list of experiences and identify the job position you'd like to update. Click on the pencil icon next to this position. This will open an editing window, allowing you to modify the details of your current or past roles. In this window, you'll see a field labeled Job Title. This is where you can enter your new job title or update the existing one to better reflect your current position or responsibilities. Once you've entered your new title, take a moment to review the other details in this section. It's a good idea to ensure all information is accurate and up to date. This includes your company name, employment dates, and any descriptions of your role. Keeping these details current is vital for presenting an accurate and professional image to potential employers and connections. After you've made your changes, don't forget to hit the Save button at the bottom of the editing window. This will ensure that all your updates are applied to your profile. Once saved, your profile will reflect your new job title, and anyone viewing your profile will see the most current information about your professional journey. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your job title on LinkedIn. It's a straightforward process, but taking the time to keep your profile current can make a significant difference in how you're perceived in the professional world. Regular updates signal to your network that you are active and engaged in your career, which can lead to new opportunities. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online professional presence. See you next time.